Ozempic weight loss prescription near me in Groveland, Florida. Introducing Ozempic, the weight loss secret of Groveland's elite. Losing weight is not an easy feat, especially in a world where fast food chains and unhealthy snacks are readily available at every corner. But what if we told you there's a weight loss secret that's been taking Groveland by storm? Meet Ozempic, the revolutionary weight loss drug that's been hailed as a miracle by celebrities and elites alike. Here's everything you need to know about this game-changing medication. What is Ozempic and how does it work? Ozempic is a once-weekly injectable medication that's been approved by the FDA for weight loss. It works by mimicking the effects of a hormone called GLP-1, which is naturally produced by the body to regulate insulin and blood sugar levels. By increasing GLP-1 levels, Ozempic helps reduce appetite, increase feelings of fullness, and promote weight loss. But that's not all. Ozempic also helps reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, making it a great option for those looking to improve their overall health. Why is Ozempic the best choice for weight loss in Groveland? There are several reasons why Ozempic is the best choice for weight loss in Groveland. For starters, it's incredibly effective. Clinical trials have shown that patients who took Ozempic lost an average of 12 pounds in just 6 months, compared to 3 pounds in patients who took a placebo. Additionally, Ozempic is easy to use. It's a once-weekly injection that can be self-administered at home, so you don't have to worry about scheduling frequent doctor's appointments or taking pills multiple times a day. Finally, Ozempic is safe. It's been extensively tested in clinical trials and has been approved by the FDA for weight loss, so you can rest assured that it's a reliable and effective option. Who can benefit from Ozempic? Ozempic is a great option for anyone looking to lose weight, but it's especially beneficial for those who have struggled with weight loss in the past. If you've tried diet and exercise and still haven't seen the results you want, Ozempic can help jumpstart your weight loss journey. Additionally, Ozempic is a great option for those with type 2 diabetes who are looking to manage their blood sugar levels and reduce their risk of heart disease and stroke. What are the side effects of Ozempic? As with any medication, there are potential side effects to be aware of when taking Ozempic. The most common side effects include nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting. However, these side effects typically subside after a few weeks of taking the medication. Additionally, there is a risk of hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, when taking Ozempic in conjunction with other diabetes medications. It's important to talk to your doctor about the potential risks and benefits of taking Ozempic before starting the medication. How can you get started with Ozempic? If you're interested in trying Ozempic for weight loss, the first step is to talk to your doctor. They can help determine if Ozempic is the right option for you and provide guidance on how to safely and effectively use the medication. Additionally, many insurance plans cover Ozempic, making it an affordable option for those looking to lose weight and improve their health. The bottom line, Ozempic is the weight loss secret you've been searching for. From its effectiveness and ease of use to its safety and potential health benefits, there are countless reasons why Ozempic is the weight loss secret of Groveland's elite. If you're tired of struggling with diet and exercise and are ready to take control of your weight loss journey, talk to your doctor about Ozempic today. Learn more about Groveland, Florida. If you're ready to take the primary step towards a healthier, much more positive you, after that now is the time to register for our Ozempic weight reduction program. Our program is designed to aid you reach your Ozempic fat-burning goals in Florida while offering you the support and expertise you require to be effective. From individualized dish strategies to individually coaching, our program is tailored to your specific requirements. So do not wait any type of longer, register now and also begin on your trip to a healthier, happier you. Ozempic is a medication approved by the FDA for weight loss in adults with obesity or overweight. It comes in a pre-filled pen that is injected once a week. The active ingredient in Ozempic is semaglutide, which is a glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, receptor agonist. Ozempic works by slowing down the emptying of the stomach, reducing appetite, and increasing feelings of fullness. Clinical studies have shown that Ozempic can help people lose an average of 12–14% of their body weight. Ozempic is not a substitute for a healthy diet and exercise, but it can be used as an adjunct to these lifestyle changes. The most common side effects of Ozempic are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and constipation. It is important to follow the dosing instructions carefully and not to increase or decrease the dosage without consulting a healthcare provider. Ozempic is not recommended for people with a personal or family history of medullary thyroid carcinoma or multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2. It may also interact with other medications, so it is important to inform the healthcare provider of any other medications being taken. Ozempic should not be used during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. The cost of Ozempic can vary depending on the insurance coverage and pharmacy, but there are often coupons and discounts available. Regular blood tests may be needed to monitor the effects of Ozempic on blood sugar levels and other health parameters. Ozempic may also have benefits for cardiovascular health, such as reducing the risk of heart attack, stroke, and other cardiovascular events. In addition to weight loss, Ozempic may also improve glycemic control, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels. It is important to maintain regular follow-up visits with the healthcare provider while taking Ozempic. Ozempic is not a quick fix for weight loss and requires commitment to lifestyle changes and medication adherence. It may take several weeks to see noticeable weight loss with Ozempic. The long-term safety and efficacy of Ozempic for weight loss are still being studied, but early results are promising. Ozempic may be a helpful option for people struggling with obesity or overweight who have not achieved weight loss with lifestyle changes alone. Are you looking for how to get an Ozempic prescription in Edgewater, Florida? Visit Ozempic Weight Loss Clinic in Edgewater. Our team of experienced healthcare professionals will provide you with the best possible care and support you in your journey to a healthier lifestyle. We are fully equipped with the latest medical technologies to help you shed the excess pounds fast.